Alright guys, almost done with the swap. For all of you who are curious, I wanted to put this vid up, this little post here, and I want to show you guys how close, damn my eyes rocked. I want to show you how close the alpha header is to the firewall with the little washer mod. So let's bring you guys under here. You guys can see there's the alpha header. Look at that. Look at how close that bracket is, dude. That's literally flush on my damn O2. But let me bring you guys up here. All right. Can't really see it, but look at how close the header is, guys. Look at that. As you guys can see, I mean, it's clearing, but barely clearing, guys. So I'm definitely gonna have to be careful with that, because I mean, that's crazy. Look at that. Oh man, I don't know. I think it'll work for now, but I might honestly try to go custom header or something like that, because I don't want any issues with this.